Hey, are you and your spouse expecting and simultaneously thinking about divorce? If you are, you're not alone. This happens more than you might imagine. Over my career, I've had quite a number of what I call expectant divorces. That is, a divorce that takes place while the wife is pregnant. Is this such a thing? Can it be done? Yes and yes. However, you definitely want to do it the right way. I'll never forget a client of mine, we'll call him Steve. Steve's wife was 6 months pregnant when he came to me, and I represented Steve, and they were in a tough marriage. He felt trapped. He wanted to file for divorce immediately, but he didn't know if it was even possible to file while there was a baby on the way. He had questions like, will this affect custody? Or what happens if the baby is born during the divorce process? And Steve isn't unique. Here's what I told Steve and what you need to know if you're in the same boat. Filing for divorce while as a couple you guys are expecting a baby, it is possible, but there are a few key factors to consider. The first factor is, can you file for divorce while pregnant? Well, as I just said, the answer in Georgia is yes. There's no specific law preventing a husband or a wife from filing a divorce action while the wife is pregnant, while the couple is expecting. The legal system will want to ensure, though, that the baby's rights are protected, and that includes determining paternity, custody, and child support. This means your divorce might take longer than it would without a pregnancy in the mix. The second factor is custody and paternity issues. One of the biggest challenges is that paternity must legally be established before custody or child support can be determined. The court will want to confirm that the husband is in fact the biological father of the baby that's on the way. This needs to be done to ensure that custody arrangements and financial support are legally binding. The third factor, probably the most important one, is timing. The timing of the filing of the divorce during the pregnancy is not really an issue. You can file any time during the pregnancy. You can work out all the settlement issues, the division of the accounts, the property, the debts, all the typical divorce type stuff, even custody and parenting plans and child support. All of that can be worked out while pregnant. However, and this is the big one, in every pregnant divorce I've ever done, the actual completion of the divorce through the submission of the child support order and the parenting plan order and the final judgment of decree of divorce has been done and signed off by the courts and issued after the birth of the child. Every judge that I'm aware of will not sign off on a final judgment of decree of divorce until the baby is born. The reason for this is that a parenting plan and child support order cannot be finalized and issued as an order by the court until there's a live baby. And judges will not complete a divorce leaving these two issues in the air, that is, the parenting plan and child support order. Now, you can still get all the paperwork prepared with your attorney, you can get it all ready to go, and then immediately after the birth of the baby, it can be submitted to the court and the case can be wrapped up pretty quickly post-birth. So your takeaway from this video is that if you and your spouse are expecting a baby, and if you're considering a divorce, sit down with a fantastic family law attorney who's done these divorces with babies on the way and talk about your options, the timing of the filing, the likely length of time it takes to complete divorce, which by the way can vary quite a bit by county and also based on whether or not your case is contested or whether you're both in agreement with all settlement terms. And go ahead and plan out the schedule of preparing the documents, and then you can make the best decision for yourself and your child who's on the way.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.